Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the unboxing of a Chanel compact mirror for you guys, and I'm wearing my Chanel jacket for this occasion, so if you are interested, please stay tuned. So let's open this box. I ordered it around holidays, end of last year, so of course it has this beautiful holiday packaging. And if you guys watched another unboxing I did on my channel, the Chanel in the bag makeup set, it also had that same beautiful packaging. And the black envelope contains the order details. I love the ribbon that they used, this red and gold. It shimmers, it's just so beautiful and stunning. And then we have this white box. Inside the box, I have a blank card that you can write a little note if you're giving this as a gift. And now let me pull everything out because this is a bit messy and I don't want these paper shreds to go everywhere like they usually do. I'm trying to get them contained in this box. And as you can see, there's a nice Chanel seal on this paper. Looks like a wax seal. Really nice attention to detail. And let's start with these freebies. Every time you shop on Chanel Beauty website, you always get some type of trial sized freebies, and this particular one is the Ultimate Light Revealing Essence. I'm excited to try these samples to see if I'm interested in getting a full size of these products. And the second one is the Red Camellia Serum. These are great to introduce yourself to the new products that you've never tried before, or to just bring them when you're traveling. So that's what I like to do with mine. I usually just bring them around with me when I'm traveling. And now to the mirror. So this is called Double Facettes mirror, and it's a mirror duo. So inside it features a regular mirror on one side and a magnifying mirror on the other side, which is perfect. And it currently retails on Chanel website for $42. So here it is. One of the most popular staples from Chanel, and a must-have for everyone who loves this brand, the Mirror Duo. Please guys, let me know down in the comments below if you have this mirror, do you enjoy using it, or if you're using a mirror by any other brand, please let me know which one. I really like how it's small and thin, so it will fit in even the tiniest micro bags. I think that's a definite plus of this mirror. Now I have to say what surprised me about this little mirror is that there's no clasp here, so you just open it and then it clicks, like it's like a weird little noise. So I assume this is just like a tension opening and closing, but yeah, it just makes that noise every time you open and close it. And I would say that's like the only concern. I'm not sure like the quality is super high on this. but it is what it is. I like the fact that the sides are small, so I can fit it in my smaller size bags and clutches, and that's why I was specifically looking for this mirror. A lot of people left reviews saying that they didn't anticipate how truly small it is, and I don't find the size to be super small, but small enough to put in your clutches or small handbags, so I think that's a plus for me. And a slim profile as well. So what do you guys think? Is this mirror worth $42? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. I appreciate all my subscribers so much. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.